Assalamu alaikum. My name is Islam Muhammad Musleh. I am doing Master of Information Technology, and this is a short video tutorial on how to use checklist-based reading technique for reviewing requirements using a review tool. Requirements review is one of the requirement validation techniques that has been widely used. In this technique, a group of stakeholders check requirements document. They analyze the requirement and look for problems. At the end, they come up with solutions. There are a few reading techniques available for requirements review, but in this tutorial we are focusing on checklist-based reading technique only. In checklist-based reading technique, the reviewer gets a checklist that is expressed in the form of questions or statements in order to search for special kind of faults. These questions or statements can be under different categories. In this example, we have three categories which are standard, verifiable, and complete. Let's go to the tool and see how we can apply checklist-based reading technique to requirements. First, need to log into the tool. For students, they can use their username and password that they submit through the Google form. Choose reviewer as your role. Okay, I already got an invitation for reviewing requirements. I accepted. Here is the project. The status is incomplete, so I enter the project. Okay, at the right side, these are the requirements. It is for a review tool. It's functional requirements, and the feature is reviewer. At the left side, I got the checklist-based reading techniques. So it's actually a list of questions and statements under different categories. So the status for each requirement is not reviewed yet. So if I want to review this single requirement, click the review button. A new window pops up. At the very top, this is the requirement, and the down is each question or statement that I need to check the above requirement against each. So here is the category for each requirement, for each question or statement of the checklist. If I think that this one is this requirement does not match against this specific question, I click no and give my feedback. I do the same for all, check each and every question against the requirement. At the end, I save this one, confirm, and the status of that requirement is reviewed. I do the same for all. For my case, I will just check the default value, which is yes, just to go through the whole flow. Save and then click OK. Here's the last requirement that I need to save, and yes. Okay, at the end, once I am sure that all of them are completed, I click the generate report. So you can check all the feedback that you have given for each requirement. You can still edit any of them if you want. For example, updated. You can add, delete anything. and it's now updated. At the end, don't forget to send your feedback to the review leader. Once you are sure that everything is fine, click the send review to review leader and confirm it. Click the OK. And yeah, the status is successful. Yeah, then you will see the status of this project is completed. And that's all for the checklist based reading techniques. Thank you very much.